Welcome back to Crypto Today, everything decentralized. Today we're going to be talking about Pundi X, a recap of March 2019. Now, if you want to stay up to date with my crypto videos, make sure you hit that subscribe button and stay tuned. Now, I would say that we had a successful first quarter with surpassing 100,000 users on the X wallet, an impressive growth, and we could expect the next 100,000 to come even faster this time around, in my opinion. Now, Limestone Network, a local business in Phnom Penh, Cambodia, that is building what I like to call the blockchain city, which I actually have a video on that, and I'll leave it in the descriptions below if you're interested in learning more about that. But they will basically be deploying 1,000 XPOS devices in Cambodia by 2021. We also went to Ola Blockchain in Barcelona, which presented the ease of use that comes with the XPOS device to business leaders, as well as our Chief Investment Officer, Vic Tam, as well as the Chief Executive Officer of Quantum Energy Asset Management, was at Money 2020 Asia on March 21st as a speaker. And here not only was the XPOS device showcase, but so was the X phone and the Function X ecosystem. And I also have a video on that, which I'll leave in the descriptions below if you're interested in learning more about quantum energy asset management and Pundix. And now, one of my favorite things that happened was that Sakchia, our CEO, took the main stage at FinTech Ideas Festival in the USA, hosted by CNBC. And I'm actually trying to put some footage of this together, and I'll bring that out to you guys as I find it. Now, Konstantin Padamitrio, and I'm sorry if I'm saying that wrong, our president attended a breakfast in Indonesia sharing their views on how blockchain is the next internet. Now, last but not least, we were listed on Huobi Global, and just in case you're not too familiar with Huobi Global, just to give you an idea of where they stand, they're currently number 10th exchange by adjusted volume, and I believe they are number 14th by reported volume. But as you can see, we definitely have a very successful first quarter. We were at CNBC, took the main stage there. We're at Money 2020, we were at Ola Blockchain, and things like that. So a lot of things definitely did happen in such a short period of time, in my opinion. And I think we can expect the growth of pretty much the whole cryptocurrency ecosystem as we move forward. I'm pretty sure it seems like our growth is going to be even faster. It's going to be accelerating as time goes on, because as you can see, a lot of governments and regulators and things like that are definitely warming up to the idea of blockchain and cryptocurrency, and they're definitely seeing the benefits that it brings to everyday people and governments and things like that, businesses. And before we finish the video, I actually wanted to cover something that it's asked to me kind of frequently, and it's basically, I see a lot of people asking if NPXS is going to be taken over by FunctionX. A lot of people believe that FunctionX is basically going to destroy NPXS. And guys, I mean, we don't know the future. I can't sit here and tell you that it won't, because anything can happen. We can't really look into the future and know that, hey, it will take it over or it won't. But what I like to say is that so far, the Pundix team, they basically said that Function X is definitely going to, eventually, they wanted to drift away from Pundix. So Pundix, so far, their XPOS device is still going to be running under the NPXS ecosystem. So pretty much, for NPXS to completely die out, the XPOS device would have to change, and Pundix would just have to start working with the FunctionX ecosystem 100%. Which so far, there's no indication that this is going to happen. So you're pretty much safe, keeping a close eye on NPXS as well as keeping a close eye on the FunctionX as well, because in my opinion, they're definitely both great projects. As we can see, the XPOS device is definitely helping create a role, and definitely helping boost the mass adoption, because it's definitely so easy, so much easier to use for newcomers and things like that. But I think the Function X is definitely has the potential to be even pretty revolutionary as well, just because I really like the fact that it's not only tied down to the X phone, so it's like other third parties are able to implement the Function X ecosystem to their devices. So I think that's going to be pretty exciting moving forward. But nonetheless, pretty much to sum it up, I do not think that Function X to date, as of now, I don't think that Function X poses a big threat to NPXS, because I think that it seems that they're working on both of them, on bettering both ecosystems. But again, if I find something that says otherwise, then I'm definitely going to bring you guys that content, just so you guys are up to date with everything. But that pretty much does it for this video. If you guys have any comments, any suggestions, make sure you leave that down below. And I'll see you guys in the next one. Also, I want to say thank you for helping me reach 200 subscribers. I think that's pretty amazing. We're definitely making this community grow. And I like how we're engaging more in the comment section. We're helping people when questions are asked, because I think that's how we can definitely help boost mass adoption. We help each other, and our ecosystem, our community just grows stronger from there. So thank you so much for that, and I'll see you guys in the next video.